Hello guys, so welcome again. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can share your mobile internet in your PC using the USB cable. So for that we have to first connect our mobile device with the PC using a USB cable. So let me show you. So here is the phone that I'm going to use. So let me just unlock it. Okay, now I'm going to connect this cable from my PC to this phone. Okay, so now our device is connected with my system, and as you can see I have removed my RJ45 cable from my system. To show you, I'm going to just open. So as you can see, there is no active internet connection on my system. This is for the VirtualBox host only. Okay, so I have removed my RJ45 cable from my PC so I can demonstrate this video to you. So right now I don't have any internet connection in my um, system. To show you, let's say google.com, and as you can see it's saying you are offline. So if I type anything else, let's say, again it's saying you are offline. Okay, so now what we are going to do, so once your phone is connected, now click on this. You will be getting Android system notification. So click on this. Now click on the USB threatening, this option. Okay, once it's done, now as you can see I am connected with Wi-Fi, so I'm going to turn it off, and my mobile data is turned on. Okay, now over here as you can see, once I turn on the USB threatening option from here, I can access the internet. So if I type something over here, Google, I can search it from here. And if I take you to the Ethernet adapter page, then you can see over here now I have a third like Ethernet adapter over here. So this is because of the phone that we are connected. Over here you can see remote NDIS based internet sharing device. Okay, so this is our phone actually we are using. This is how you can share your mobile internet to your computer using the USB cable.